Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you for the morning of November 22nd with your currency outlook for the day. First, we'll look at the stock market. We did see the S&P hit a new all-time high in the overnight at 2203. The market did flag a medium term overbought up above that 22 level, so we are seeing stocks come off a bit. I believe we're trading roughly about 21.92 the last price I checked. Looking at the U.S. dollar, U.S. dollar's been on a tear lately over the last 2 weeks since the elections. We have seen a more than 550-point rally in the U.S. dollar. The range I'm looking at, I do believe we're going to see some resistance around 102 in the U.S. dollar, as well as support down along that 130 level. That's your immediate term trading range, so trade accordingly. Looking at the rally that we have seen, a lot of this is predicated upon the idea of higher interest rates, inflation starting to pick up and potentially reach the Fed's 2% mandate here in the short term, and also that a Donald Trump presidency will help restore GDP growth back towards 4%. So all that is being factored into this rally we've seen in the U.S. dollar. I do believe the market is getting way out ahead of itself at the moment. I still feel it's very, very difficult to quantify what a Donald Trump presidency is going to look like based on the market conditions we've seen over the last 2 weeks. So be careful with from that regards. Looking at the euro currency, 107.90 is the top end of the range, down to an immediate term oversold level down along 105. Right now the market's trading just above 106 right now, so we are trading kind of in the lower half of that trading range. So try to look for keying on those two numbers, 107.90 and 105. I will switch over quickly to the yen. We have seen the yen move over the past 2 weeks from bearish trend now. From bullish trend now to bearish trend. As we know, that yen typically trades inversely to the Japanese stocks. We have seen the Japanese Nikkei move from bearish trend to bullish trend, and all this has happened in relatively short order. We've seen it. It was within, I'd say, 48 hours after the election, we saw these major shifts in the market. So the yen has sold off very strong. We are holding this 90 level, and I do believe this 90 area will look to hold here in the immediate term. That is going to serve as a pretty solid support level. And now we have the Japanese stock market, the Nikkei, flagging immediate term overbought. So consider those ideas right there. Moving forward, a couple things to key on. December 4th, we do have the Italian referendum. They will vote on whether they remain or leave the European Union, as well as keying on the French presidential elections right now. We're still very far off from the elections. April 23rd is the official election date for the French. But Marie Le Pen holds a very sizable lead over there, and as we all know, Marie Le Pen is she was very pro-Brexit for Great Britain, and she might try to move and take France in that direction as well. So could we be seeing the beginning of the end for the European Union? It's very, very possible. So we're going to have to key in on those factors moving forward. Just remember, Thursday the markets are closed, so be very, very careful with how you position Wednesday night. We will be opening for the night session, I believe, at 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock Central Time on Thursday, and then regular session on Friday. So trade accordingly. Be careful out there. Feel free to give me a call if you have any additional questions. My number is 1-800-669-5354. That's all I have for you. Enjoy your holiday.